Welcome to another Mike on a Bike adventure. This time, it's the first sunny day in a week or more. No rain. There's a bit of wind, but I'm down in Yarram and riding on the Tarra Trail, which goes from Yarram through Alberton onto Port Albert. It's not a very long ride. It's about 14 kilometres to Port Albert, obviously 14 kilometres back. Very nice sunny day. We'll get a chance to go down and have a look at the coast. A little bit of far south Gippsland, or or maybe east Gippsland more than anything else. So welcome for another ride. Thanks for coming along, and I hope you enjoy the trip.